How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. So Apple just released the iOS 15.0.2 a couple of days ago, actually yesterday. And if you're watching this video, check for software updates. And this update, actually I was surprised. They didn't bring any new features, but fixes some problems with some iPhone users, especially with the newest iPhones. So let me know in the comments down below if you had any issues with your iPhone 8 or even iPhone 6s, SE, 7 and so on. So the update was about 500 megabytes, as you can see here, and this update, like I mentioned, fixes some issues, some problems with some users. Let me know in the comments down below because I'm very curious to know if you had any issues with your iPhone, because all my iPhones so far they was working completely fine, no problems, no issues with the iPhone 8. iPhone 6 as well is working completely fine. SE, no problems with the software, everything works completely fine. All the apps, camera, no slowdowns, no problems. I just want to know if you had any issues with your iPhone actually. So let me know in the comments down below about the iPhone 8, or in general if you had any issues with the iOS 15. So this is a just quick video about the iPhone 8 and iOS 15.0.2. The previous version was 15.0.0.1, but again, I was surprised that Apple released this software update after a couple of days, and I don't know, I'm very happy to see what's going to happen with this iOS 15. All the features are already here. I don't think that Apple will bring any new features. This is all the time waiting for the big update, and we don't need more features. Obviously, if there's like some issues and problems with the bugs with some apps and software, they will push this update, but most of the features are completely here. And now we'll see how is the user experience. So that's why I'm making this video. So if you enjoy this type of videos, please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications, otherwise you will miss the video. And I'm happy to report all the Apple news and updates and software features. So this was a just quick video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.